I get so caught up in
Hey you guys, welcome back for another video. Thank you for coming back to Natara Space. My name is Natara and today we're going to be speed cleaning, you guys. I'm going to be in my kitchen and then I will clean the walk area to the washroom. And also you guys, I have a little bit of a treat for you guys. I'm going to be reviewing a product for a company, so please stick around to the end. Okay, you guys, first thing I'm going to do is start off in this kitchen. I am taking all the water bottles that were left over and I'm taking them outside to put them in my plants to keep from pouring them out. So right here, I'm just going to clean the sink out, you guys. I am making sure that I am rinsing off the dishes so that the plates wouldn't be hard to clean. So I like to do this because I want to start off with a clean slate, so I'm just going to remove all of these dishes and begin to clean the sink out.
light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall. And it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide. What this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes. And you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light.
Now that the sink is pre-clean, I have placed all the dishes back into the sink. So now I'm going to begin hand washing those dishes, you guys. This is one of the favorite things that I like to do. I like to wash my dishes first before I place them in the dishwasher. So I am using the good old Ajax with bleach as well as some chlorine bleach in my dishwater.
I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
For those of you who are new, my name is Natara. I am a mom of 3 and also I'm a wife. I like to do cooking, cleaning, organization, and anything that pertains to mom life and a wife over here on this channel. So if that's your thing, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family.
Be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
You know it's creeping up on me. This frostbite gets deep into my bloodstream. Just trying to make the most of it. Babe, I miss your body.
Now that all of the dishes are hand washed, you guys, I'm going to proceed to place them in the dishwasher. Yes, it is some dishes in here. I totally forgot that they were clean from the night before. I thought that the kids had placed them in there this morning, but you guys, these dishes were clean and I did not know, so I was adding the other dishes in there, so they all got rewashed. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. I'm just placing the dishes in the dishwasher and then I will proceed to use some bleach and then I will put the rinse aid in there. You guys, I have been using bleach lately. I haven't been using the dishwasher cleaner and it has been working wonders. Just a little side note, you guys, if you are out of the dishwashing solution, Not that we are out of it. I just decided to just use bleach and see how it turned out. And you guys, it worked amazing. So yeah, you guys, you can use that as well if you didn't want to use some dishwasher cleaner.
I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close. Get under my skin. Give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while. Stay by my side. November gets cold. December gets darker. Let me know when you're home. 'Cause you're lighting a spark in me. Gets pretty lonely. I get so lonely. So stay by my side. Come on close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close. Get under my skin.
Okay, now I'm taking this Homeline all-purpose, multi-purpose cleaner. It kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. So this is what I'm using to clean off my countertops as well as the dishwasher.
Just for a while, stay by my side. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. 'Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you? Where are you? Don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, 'cause I made reservations. Too many invitations.
Okay, now that I am done cleaning off the countertops, I'm just going to place my stove cover that my husband made for me. You guys, I really love this thing. It is very sturdy, and it's very it has a little weight to it. So you guys, I love this thing. It makes the kitchen comes together.
Where are you? Where are you, baby? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you?
Okay, you guys, right here, Xavier is responsible for the trash, so he is taking out the trash, you guys. And never mind that shirt on the floor in my bedroom. I did clean my room, but I'm thinking that shirt came from when the kids finished when the kids finished folding up the clothes. They brought them in the room and possibly fell on the floor, but the room was clean. But yeah, you guys, Xavier is responsible for the trash, so this is what he's doing right now. Okay, you guys, now I'm going to take the Palmolive spray away to clean out the sink. This stuff came from Dollar General, you guys, and I really love it. I have had it for a long time, and I have been using it. Now I am almost out of it, so I will have to go back and repurchase it because I really love this stuff, along with the Dawn Power Wash.
Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that golden rule? Why is our love one-sided? should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get...
Now that everything is all clean, you guys, I'm just going to take the Dyson and vacuum up the floor. I'm not going to be mopping the floor because the floor was mopped the day before, so that's what I'm doing here, is just vacuuming up and making sure the floor is free of crumbs. Alright, you guys, this is the final product. The kitchen is all clean and it smells amazing.
Tell me what choice I have now. I just wanna get it right with you. But if we try to talk about it, our history says we'll just argue. And I know you're gonna act a fool, and then no one could tell the difference.
Okay, you guys, I would like to thank Auledio for sending me this shoe rack, you guys. This shoe rack is stackable and adjustable multifunction wire grid shoe organizer. It is $19.99 as of now. The original price was $24.99. And also, you guys, I have a 20% off discount code, and the code is 20S3RY8L, and it ends on July 29th at 11:59, you guys. So if you're interested in a shoe rack, you guys, this shoe rack is very, very steady, and also it holds a lot of shoes, you guys. So right here, my husband is putting it together for me. It was very, very simple. It has the instruction in the box and everything. So yeah, you guys, I'll use this shoe rack to place our slides on when we come in from outside. So you will see that in a few minutes once my husband gets done putting it together. So once again, I would like to thank Auledio, I can't say that name, you guys, Auledio, for sending me this shoe rack. I will have all of the information down in the description box as well as in the comment section. So if you're in need of a shoe rack, you guys, please head over to Auledio on Amazon to pick up you this shoe rack.
But baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard. Right, every glimpse of you deserts me. You're all I think about sometimes. But baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard. Never meant to love no one.
Okay, you guys, this is the shoe rack right here. I'm just placing some random shoes that we had over there on the boot mat. So we're going to be using this for our slides like we wear around the house, or the little slides that we just slide on to go out and run a few errands. So I was just placing random shoes, you guys, but those other shoes, like those tennis shoes and those work shoes, they're going to be going in the boot mat that I put outside of our room, so my husband can just drop his work shoes right there. But yeah, you guys, I really love this thing. So if you're in need of a shoe rack, go on Amazon. I will have the link in the description box. So right here, I'm just going to be cleaning up this little walk area. This is the shoe mat right here that I removed and placed outside of my room. But yeah, you guys, I'm just going to take the broom and just sweep it up right here. And then, you guys, this will be the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for coming back for another video. I really do appreciate you guys. You guys always shows your support, and I am so appreciative. But you guys, before you go, please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment down below, and also make sure that you subscribe. And also, if you're not following me over on Instagram and Facebook, my Instagram handle is Natara Space, and also on Facebook, I am Natara Space as well. So yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.
But you